Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. This is Albana from Bulgarian Mama is Cooking, and today we are making sugar-free chocolate mini tarts. So if you are interested in such recipes and you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe button, don't forget the bell, and let's get started. You need to start with the dough for the shells, and you're going to need a little bit of butter that is not entirely melted, some agave syrup, and 1 room temperature egg yolk. Then you're gonna need to mix everything very well. I definitely recommend that you use a spatula for this purpose. Like, I figured it out a little bit later and I used a spatula. Fork was not really convenient. Then add a little bit of vanilla bean powder, and yes, you can use vanilla extract if you don't have the vanilla bean powder. Mix everything very well, and then you have to sift the flour. And don't worry, there will be a list of ingredients and proportions in description, so be sure to prepare everything before you start this recipe. Now that the flour is in, mix just to combine and make sure that there are no flour pockets, and that's it. This is the dough for your tart shells. Now this dough needs to go in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and if you have a saran wrap it and leave it in the fridge. If you are out like I was, you can definitely use a Ziploc baggies. These are extremely handy and very convenient. Now that the dough is ready, we need to start creating those tart shells. The first thing that you need to do is create a small dough ball, just like this one, and then grab your mold, put it in there, and press on it, just like I'm showing on the video, in order to create the shell. Then grab a knife and remove the unnecessary dough, and that's it. And yes, you can use the unnecessary dough to create another tart shell. Out of this dough, you can make 10 mini tart shells, so consider doubling up on the ingredients so that you can get about 20. Put the shells in the fridge for about 10 minutes and then preheat your oven at 340 and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes for golden brown. And now let's make the ganache for the filling. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate. This is probably the best option, but if you want to use milk chocolate or dark chocolate, go for it. I'm adding some orange zest because I love this combination and it just screams holidays to me. And then we're gonna cover everything with heavy whipping cream, warm heavy whipping cream, and then everything needs to be mixed very well, and that's it. The ganache is ready. And here are the golden brown tart shells. If you don't want them golden brown, bake them for less time, bake them for 15 minutes. Now remove the molds and fill the shells with the chocolate ganache. These little chocolate jewels are going to be decorated with some shredded white chocolate, fresh mints, and some fresh berries. Definitely decorate upon your liking, and then put them in the fridge for at least a few hours, if not overnight, and then enjoy. Thank you again for watching this video and supporting Bulgarian Mama is Cooking. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment of your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe if you are interested and want to support this channel. And I will talk to you very soon. Bye for now.